What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. Let's dive right into the video. We're finna make a crazy beat from scratch like this. Yeah, this is steady. Sounds super fire, bro. Let's just dive right into it. Ooh. Ooh, oh my days, this preset is fire. Let's copy that over, and what we're gonna do on the last one right here is drag it one octave up and then just like drop these down like this. Perfect. Ooh, wait a minute. We're going to add some counter melodies in a bit, but for now I just want to like start with creating like the skeleton of the beat, you could say. So delete this. Let's pitch this down. Alright, time for a counter melody. I think I want to use a one shot from my one shot kit. Right here, I want like a sliding note. Oh, beautiful. So I added some Valhalla vintage verb and Valhalla delay on pitch duck, just for like something in the background. I low-key want to add this saw. We're doing something different today. Copy that over. Yeah. Okay, what we're finna add is let's add pancake to this as well. Like, this is really subtle right now. The saw is like, oh my days, that's what we want. Take that. Ooh. Yeah. Hey, I'm finna add some drums right now. I'll come back to a counter melody in a second. Woo! The shaker. Woo! Oh, that's hard. Want like a dirty little snare right there. Want like a other snare right here at the end. Add some reverb to the snare. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. I just done dance on the you know shit. I don't know. I would tell the dance to the So I added a law filter on these drums. Let's add halftime on the master. Sometimes love to do this. Hey. Okay, last but not least, sound shifter. I love this. It's like unique. Alright, we finna create automation clips. Yo. Try to play it up on the floor. It's a steady nut. It's a steady nut on the moon and it's steady, yo. Yeah. It's a steady, yo. It's just in the Hey. I'm about to switch up the beat. Yeah. That's hard. Just like a little outro type shit. Whew. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.